Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to start the geometric constraints activity. So if you go to classes, you're going to see I have another activity or assignment. So you're going to open this. Then you're going to open this in a new browser, okay? So you open this, and then you're going to copy this. So you can, let's see how we're going to do this. You can, so I want you to be able to copy this workspace. So you see what I just did? I just grabbed those three little lines, and I'm going to say copy workspace, and then I want you to put your name on this. Okay, so it shouldn't say my name anymore or my initials. Change this so that it has your name, all right? It still should say Geometric Assignment 2025 and then have it be your name, and you can get rid of the copy. Okay, and then you would say copy here, and it'll copy where you want it. Okay, so then you can start working on it. So I wanted to show you this because I want to be able to have you learn about the constraints. So I'm going to get out of this document. So let me close this workspace, and then I'm going to open my document, and I'm going to show you where the constraint buttons are. So let me just close this document. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go here. Okay, so this is the same assignment. So you have a handout that's in the Google Classroom for this date, and I'm going to show you what you're going to edit. So you see where it says edit this sketch? That's what you're going to do. So you're going to click this, or right click it and say edit. Then you're going to show the constraints. Okay, and then you're going to turn your cube so that it says front. All right, where are these constraints that you're going to work with? Okay, so here are the 12 steps, and the 12 steps are in your commands. So you're going to open this. This is where all the constraints live. So you have the coincidence constraint, concentric, parallel, tangent, horizontal, vertical, perpendicular, equal, midpoint you're not going to use, normal you're not going to use, pierce you're not going to use, symmetric you're not going to necessarily use, fix you are going to use. Okay, so fix holds it in place. Okay, so you're going to follow the directions. For example, the first one says make the lines perpendicular. So you're going to take this figure, you're going to edit sketch number 1, and you're going to say, let's make them perpendicular. So I'm going to turn this on. You can see the key is on. Then you're going to touch both of those lines, and it'll make them perpendicular. Okay? Parallel, same idea. 3 says fix the bottom. You're going to fix this and this. Make the circle tangent to both lines. I would suggest that you fix this and this first, and then make a tangent. 5, fix the center point. Now make an endpoint for each. So you're going to basically take these two endpoints and put them in the center, following the directions. 6, make the circles concentric. So we would look here, figure out concentric. So you're okay there. 7 is okay. 8 is okay. 9 is okay. When you get to 10, it's going to be challenging. So you may need to use the snipping tool. You may need to use the line tool in order to get this to be an equilateral triangle. Okay, so be creative, get it to be equilateral, and you can check the dimensions, right, with this dimension key. So you can check it to make sure it is. And then the last two are fine also. Number 10 is the only one you should find challenging. When you're done, submit this, and I'll be able to grade it. Okay? So thank you very much. Again, work with each other to get this done.